Hello everyone, welcome to my live, or should I say welcome to our group report presentation. Today we're going to tackle about the technology tool of collaborative work. To start our report, or should I say to begin our report, may I call on Baby Jane Iwayan to introduce our topic.
Hello guys, so for today's video, we're going to present our report, and our topic is teaching tools for collaborative work. The learners of this generation are a new kind of breed, and it's important that teachers understand how to deal with them. Today's technology offers so many options for educators that deciding on where to begin and can be overwhelming to get started. Think about one approach that could be the catalyst for positive change in your classroom. Collaborative learning is an educational approach to teaching and learning that involves groups of students working together to solve a problem, complete a task, or create a product. Technology as collaborative tools is one way to engage students by giving them a challenge and a chance to work together. Collaboration technology includes tools like cell phones, Facebook, and entire documents. And it's paperless, promote creativity, easy and quickly integrate into your own classroom, and gets students in a classroom collaboration mindset. There are 6 that exist to support collaboration. First is the communication, facilitate real-time and asynchronous text, voice, and video communication. Next, assist in basic project management activities. Next, support co-creation, enabling groups to modify output in real time. The fourth, facilitate consensus building through group discussion and pooling. Then the next, simplify and streamline resources management. Then the last one is the enable local remote presentation and archiving of completed project. Communication. Many features of collaboration are graded toward facilitation and management of effective communication among team members. Virtual meetings, email, instant messaging, screen sharing, blogs, voice, video, web conferencing. Discussion board. Team definition participant. Tools in this category are designed to help team members identify key players in a project and draw on the appropriate people resources. At the appropriate time, social networking, presence management, user policies, and contact management.
So hi guys, I am Nenyami Domingo. I am the next reporter for this group. So my topic is all about project management to presentation and archiving. So I'm going to discuss the project management first. When we say project management, or when we say project management tools, what is that? So, project management tools are geared toward handling and the logical aspects of planning, scheduling, workflow, and task management. Carnegie Mellon tools designed for handling many of the following functions. We have task management, time tracking, workflow routing, milestone, calendaring, and so far and so on. So, when we say task management tools is used by an individual, team, or organization to complete projects efficiently by organizing and prioritizing related tasks. So task management tools comes in many forms, like basic spreadsheets or online project management applications. Next, we have time tracking. Time tracking allows you to make more intelligent decisions about how you price the projects or run projects, how you schedule your team, and how you spend your day. Next, we have workflow routing and milestones. So, when we say milestones in project management are used as signals, parts for a project starts or end date, external reviews or input. We have budget checks, submissions of a major deliverable. A milestone is a reference point that marks a significant event or branching decision point within a project. So next, we have calendaring. So you know about the calendaring. So next, we have the resource management. Resource management tools help address common issues like having access to relate or to shared storage space for project files and keeping up with the multiple versions for the same documents. So we have find that tools have the following features: file storage, database management, version tracking, access management, social bookmarking, commenting, next, and tagging. So when we say file storage, so kailan naman gid mo unsa ang file storage kay mao man gyud nay gamito nato or i-save ato sa file storage ang atong mga important nga documents or mga files. So when you say file storage, also called file level or file-based storage. File storage is the oldest and most widely used data storage system for direct and network attached storage system. And it's one that you're probably using for decades. And anytime you access documents, save and files on your personal computer or phones, you use file storage. So, mo na ang gamit sa file storage. Next, we have database management. So, when we say database management, generally manipulate the data or itself, the data format or field name, field record structure, and file structure. So next, we have version tracking. And next, access management. So access management tools is a system used to manage the access of resources by employees, partners, constructor, and customers. Yes, the social bookmarking. When you say social bookmarking, is the process of tagging a website page with a browser or base tool so that you can easily visit it again or you can visit it later. Social bookmarking sites began as a sample or simple resources for social media and content marketers. Next, we have commenting, and lastly, we have tagging. So that's all the resources. So next, we have the co-creation and ideation. Co-creation and ideation tools facilitate the most direct interaction between the members on the goals as a desired outcomes of the project. So participants can often work in a groups directly editing or building the project artifact using tools with the following features and support functionally. First, we have concept mapping. Yes, the concept mapping. The next, we have wikis. And next, we have virtual whiteboards. Lastly, we have real-time collaborative editing. So that's all the co-creation and edition tools. So we have consensus building tool. So while co-creation and addition tools help generate possible alternative solutions to a given problem, conventions building tools help participants narrow and refine the proposed solutions. Yes, we can help to identify tools like the support following or functions, the polling, question management, last and process archiving. So that's all the consensus building tool. Last but not the least, we have the presentation and archiving. So when we say presentation and archiving, these tools allow the project team to present outcomes to the instructor, to a project client, or to the general public. So the designed to handle the following, we have webinars. Yes, do you know what is the webinars? So, di ba ang webinars mo man gud na permanent to kanang mag-meeting or we have virtual meet, then slideshows, hosted media sharing.
Hello everyone, I am teacher Janice Solimanu and I was assigned to report the first 5 and 15 collaborative tools for your classroom. So, first, peer deck. Peer deck is an active learning and formative assessment tool that makes your presentations completely interactive. Peer deck is fully loaded with templates for each stage of the assessment process, vocabulary, games, Google tool integration, and helps teachers engage students and create collaborative conversation. Overview. You can make periodic slides within PowerPoint Online or Google Slides. But instead of simply presenting informational slides, periodic makes your slides interactive so every student can respond to your questions or
Quinn hears something in front of the room and tries to wake
right
him up,
on
but the
their
demon is the one who
own
does it.
screens.
When the real map takes off her coverage,
second,
the demon disappears. The app still goes back to their original countdown.
Flipgrid is a
Quinn
video
remembers her
discussion
sister's
tool that allows
Meanwhile, Jordan hears her phone
teachers
ring
to
in the old
create
woman's room and goes
grids
to
of
get it.
discussion
She sees that her
topics.
countdown has changed. While something
Students
appears in
share
front of
their
her room.
responses through recorded videos.
She goes back into
And
the room and closes the door. But when she
Flipgrid,
turns around, the door is
Flipgrid
open.
is a great
Then,
way
she hides
to
under her bed and
encourage
hears her mom calling her,
student
asking for her sister.
voice
Something
and
pushes her bed aside, and
engage
suddenly, her
student.
mother appears. Jordan runs to
So,
the front door and
third
finds Matt are there. They go to see the
is
demon
Padlet.
together. He reads the code
Padlet
on
is a digital
It's a
tool
curse
that
you can find a
allows
way to
you to
break and
create
hook from.
collaborative
He thinks that
rules
if they can keep one of them alive
I like to
longer than
think
what
of
the app
it
says, the curse will be
like
broken.
a digital
His plan
bulletin
is to hide in
board
a blessed circle of salt long enough
with
to keep one of them alive,
digital
so that
sticky
they can lift
notes,
the curse.
but
Quinn mixes the
way
salt with
better.
paint, and as they are laying it on the ground, the priest blesses the salt.
students can
The circle is
post
painted on the
just
floor
about
when they
anything,
check Mark's
images,
countdown time.
videos,
He steps aside,
documents,
panicking,
and
but
text
Quinn
from
kisses him.
anywhere
The lights go
and
out and all of them get
from
inside the
any
circle.
device.
As the demon approaches, the priest is praying. The demon appears behind him,
Padlet
but
is
it
a
can't get
digital
inside the
tool
circle.
that can
The
help
priest tries to vanquish it
teachers
back to
and
Matt when the app
students in
starts
class
working.
beyond
Suddenly,
by
a toy robot
offering
reaches the circle that only
a
Matt can see.
single place
His brother
for a
appears and
notice
lures him out of
board.
the circle.
I
The
know
demon
most
grabs him
of
and
us
drags him
here
away. Quinn
knows
runs
what
after
is
him,
Padlet
but as she
already,
reaches
right?
Matt, a
It's
car hits
because
him
we
and he
already
dies with the
used
countdown. Jordan is hurt,
that
so Quinn takes her to the
app
hospital.
during
As the
our
doctor is
first
taking care
year.
of her sister, one of her colleagues tells her
grade.
that she knows what happened with Dr. Sullivan.
So
and that she will
fourth,
be with her if she goes after him. They
Nearpod
hug, but Quinn sees
Near-
the doctor talking to her
Nearpod
sister and goes over
is
there.
an
She
interactive
thanks him, but has some
presentation
kind of plan for him. Jordan
and
tells Quinn that their
assessment
mother's
tool.
death was her fault and not Quinn's, but she says it's none of their
Teachers
fault.
can use
The
it
two of them
too.
reconcile, and Jordan says that at least they will
Interactive
spend the
lessons
last
that
minutes of their lives together.
13
Quinn doesn't think they
quizzes,
will die because she has a plan.
polls,
She goes
videos,
into Dr.
images,
Sullivan's office
drawing
and
boards,
apologizes to him
web
immediately.
contacts,
He sees right
and
through
more,
her and
as well
asks her
as
what
their
she wants.
Nearpod
She says she
collaborative
wants her
tool.
job back and tells him that he knocks her out.
Number 5 5 is Skype.
Jordan is being
Skype is a
Luna.
video and
She
that
tries to hide
chat
but her act gives her
communication
position away.
tool that
At first it
allows
opens
you
and
to
she goes
connect
over
to
to
your
investigate
classroom with
to let her sister go.
the outside world
Jordan
by
begs her not to
connecting
kill herself, and
the
demon
experts
turns into her
alter
mother, diverting her attention. Jordan's time is ticking
virtual
and Quinn is
field
distracted
trips,
for a moment,
master
but she
Skype,
realizes
and
what's
other
happening and shoots
collaborative
the morphine in her
projects,
veins.
and
She
all
dies before her
types
time,
of
and the demon
classroom
can't take it.
connection.
Quinn has lifted the demon's
So,
curse. Jordan cries over her
Skype in
sister's
the
dead
classroom
body. Once she
offers
sees
like
the name of a drug
educational
written on her
experience
arm
for
and a
thousands of
She injects it
teachers
into
and
Quinn's
their
arm and it
students
counteracts the morphine, bringing her
from
back from the dead.
over
Sometime later, Quinn, Jordan, and their father visit their
235
mom's
countries,
bedside.
so
As
imagine,
they're about to leave,
including
Quinn gets a
virtual
notification.
field trips,
The beta
talks
version of the
with
Countdown
guests,
app has been installed on her
speakers,
phone.
and
Then after
collaborative
credits scene,
lessons
Derek is seen on a
and
date with a
projects
woman in a
with
restaurant.
other classrooms
His date
around
is
the
disappointed
world.
and goes to
Oh,
the
sure.
restaurant before they leave.
So on behalf of Erica Aliego, I will be the one to report her topic since she's not feeling well because of her fever. So number 6, CISO is a student-driven digital portfolio tool. Teachers can empower students to create, reflect, share, and collaborative. Students show what they know using photos, videos, drawings, text, PDFs, and links. So 7, Kahoot. Kahoot is a game-based learning and trivia platform for your classroom. Teachers can create Kahoots or collaboratively create with students. Book Creator. Book Creator is a simple way to make ebooks using the Chrome app or iOS app. Book Creator has real-time collaboration and is ideal for making all kinds of book portfolios, comic books, photo books, journals, textbooks, and more. So number 9, QSpaces Edu. QSpaces Edu is an application that allows students and teachers to easily build their own 3D creations, animate them with code, and explore them in virtual or augmented reality. Number 10, Bansei. Bansei allows students and teachers to create engaging multimedia projects and presentations.
Good day, everyone. I am Ria Inakino from BA2B. And now I'm here to discuss to you my report, which is all about technology tools for collaborative work. And my report is the last topic that we're going to tackle, and it is the continuation of Ms. Erica Aliego's report, which is the 15 collaborative tools in the classroom. OneNote. Microsoft OneNote is a note-taking program for free-form information gathering and multi-user collaboration. It gathers users' notes, drawings, screen clippings, and audio commentaries. Notes can be shared with other OneNote users over the internet or a network. OneNote is available as part of the Microsoft Office suite. It is also available as a free, standalone app via the app stores of Windows 10, macOS, iOS, and Android. Microsoft also provides a web-based version of OneNote as part of OneDrive. What are the benefits of using Microsoft OneNote? Benefits of using OneNote include easier networking, more efficient file usage, compatibility with most common file types, and integration with other Microsoft Office products. What is the purpose of Microsoft OneNote? Microsoft OneNote is a computer program for free-form information gathering and multi-user collaboration. It gathers users' notes, handwritten or typed, drawings, screen clippings, and audio commentaries. What are the functions of Microsoft OneNote? It is designed to function as an electronic version of a paper notebook. Microsoft OneNote is a note-taking and personal information management (PIM) application for collecting, organizing, and sharing digital information. What is WeVideo? WeVideo is a video editing platform. It is a cloud-based platform, which means you will not need to install any new software. Since WeVideo is a cloud-based video editing platform, this means it will work on both Mac and PC seamlessly. WeVideo was founded on the idea that everyone from school, children to professionals should have the power to create, collaborate, and communicate through easy to use, affordable, and accessible creative tools. WeVideo was born in 2011. WeVideo is launched with the goal of bringing its proven European online educational creative toolbox to a broader global audience of consumers, educators, and small businesses. WeVideo continues to grow its talented team of innovators, all focused on empowering the world to tell their story through video. After expanding its reach through iOS, Android, and all web browsers, WeVideo has been used to create and share tens of millions of videos. What is Classcraft? Classcraft is a game-based approach to teaching and behavior management. It's designed to encourage participation, good behavior, and 21st century skills collaboration. What are the different classes in Classcraft? To play Classcraft, each student picks a character from one of the following classes: guardians, mages, and healers. Each character has a different max amount of HP and AP and can use different powers. They each have strengths and weaknesses in the game. To succeed, every characters need to rely on the other two classes and their powers. So why do we use Classcraft in the classroom? Because Classcraft provides a common language for discussing and recognizing positive and negative behaviors. Student behavior completely changes as evidence in this case study. The fact that kids love Classcraft isn't just helpful for getting students and staff to buy in. So what is Classcraft's motivation approach? Classcraft's motivational approach is based firmly on self-determination theory, a well-researched psychological framework to explain what drives individuals to engage in specific activities. And what is insert learning? Insert learning is a Chrome extension that lets you turn any website into an interactive lesson. You can highlight text, add sticky notes, insert questions, videos, or even a discussion all inside the web page. So how do I use the insert learning extension? Here are some tips on how to use insert learning. Click on the extension button to make the toolbar appear. This button has the Insert Learning logo and is located at the top right of your window. To insert a question, click on the question icon on the toolbar and then click on a paragraph. How do I use the Insert Learning toolbar? So you have to click on the extension button to make the toolbar appear. This button has the Insert Learning logo and is located at the top right of your window. To insert a question, click on the question icon on the toolbar and then click on a paragraph. Inserting a question within an article is a good way to assess what your students are learning as they read. So, Lastly is the Soundtrap Edo. It is an online music studio where students can create together by recording and using loops. Soundtrap for Education provides students with a safe and secure online environment to learn and play in. We work hard to meet or exceed legal compliance requirements and to stay abreast of the fast-changing privacy law landscape. Is Soundtrap safe for your students? Yes, it's a safe environment for young students. All educational accounts come with a walled garden and Soundtrap is designed to compliant with COPA and FERPA to keep young students safe. This allows students to work together in their own protected environment and it is customized for the classroom. So as we race towards a more digitized future, social collaboration is speculated to be a highly sought after human skill. Implementing technology in the classroom can help to develop the skills that will be crucial to societal progress in the future, such as global collaboration. Students can develop resilience and healthy curiosity through global communication with peers, which will prepare them for the world of tomorrow. So technology may be changing the way we interact with each other, but it hasn't changed collaboration. You still need to understand your team's preferences, styles, and work styles. That said, there are some tweaks you can make to your technology that can improve how you collaborate both inside of the office and out. That would be all. Thank you.